Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. We at Vista Turf here have switched to Christmas light mode. We've started doing our installations. Today's the first day. We're trying to get all this this huge display at Earth Tones put up like we had last year. Just wanted to remind you, if you're going to be using a Christmas light or a company to put up your Christmas lights this year, you need to get on that ASAP. Give your company a call, whatever you're going to do, get your estimates, get your installs scheduled, whatever you have to do, because here very soon it's going to be very hectic and very crazy for companies that install Christmas lights, because everybody calls at once and there's a pretty small window to get all of those installations done, and schedules, they fill up very quickly, and so the sooner the better. If you're planning on doing that, make sure you call a company as soon as you can. Usually it's the day right after Halloween that it's like a light switch, that people start calling, getting these estimates, wanting to get their lights installed. So just a reminder for you. Hope that helps. If you have any questions or you want us to help you with that, just let us know. Thanks.